transport. So sure. Yeah. We've got a long lengthy tour today. Down to Fleetwood. Tram 700, which is green.
Yeah, green one.
God, that's... Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
See what there is.
The health services are still running. Yeah. It's only the street market that's cancelled.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with us.
Yeah. Something to do with the severe wind, maybe.
There's some good things in there, aren't there?
Yeah, it's like,
I've still got my pen from last time.
Oh, yeah?
That is little booklets. Nice.
Because this, of course, as you can see, we're inside a Millennium car, which is a rebuilt balloon.
Yeah.
701. And this is used as a heritage tram shop.
We got the new calendar at Loop.
And there's the new calendar for 2024.
Have you got that one?
No, I've not got that one. So.
What you did?
Not yet.
It's only been sold 2 days.
Pardon?
It's only been sold 2 days.
Oh, is it? Yeah, it's nice.
Brand new, so getting ready for the new year.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's a bean hat there for you.
A bean hat?
Yeah, you wear them at work.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think about wearing them at work for them. No. I like that.
How much is it?
Oh, you got some boots?
Yeah, some stickers.
Yeah?
Magazine.
Yeah.
Look over here. Yeah. The controls on this one look a bit more modern compared to the other type. There.
Oh yeah, to do.
Yeah. And,
What's that for
but
driving it?
That still retains part of the old controls.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's a bit
It's good driving this.
Yeah, a little bit, isn't it?
There's that one that's going down there now.
Yeah. That's how it's coming down now. That's the one we're going to be on.
Yes, we better go. Excited?
Excited?
You love trams, don't you?
I love trams.
I know you do.
Anyway, we're going to go on another. That's the tram that will be Fleetwood.
Oh yeah, it's going back now first, isn't it? Not Blackpool.
That's the centenary coach tram over here. Built in 1984.
Yeah.
This 1985, for instance, because it was the centenary of the Blackpool Trams.
Yeah.
I suppose because it was the first modern tram of the time. Well, the first modern tram anywhere in Britain, really. This is what I find fascinating with this one.
Oh yeah, you like this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Not doing the culture, which is a bit of a shame, but yeah. same time. Well, this looks nice on board. Same time. Well, this looks nice on board.
Little bag. Got some key rings.
Yeah.
They're all the same picture but different colours. We've got yellow. We've got pink. And we've got like a turquoise colour.
With the Western train. And two other illuminated colours.
We've then got, when you're having a brew, a nice heritage mug.
Yeah.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's
we've got a flask.
Which is
heritage flask.
Yeah.
It can also be passed as a skittle.
Great brewing on days out.
We've not much at the moment, so oh, hang on. Found this.
Ooh, what's this?
Notepad and pen set.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
And
Did you have a model?
We did have a model, but the man at the back's just bought.
Oh, no.
Oh, well. Mine got plenty of models in.
If you go online and go on the heritage site, and then there's a bit for the shop, they'll post them out to you as well.
Yeah.
You should have them. Or if you come up again on weekends like this and they have the shop out, he usually has them on the tram down there. The shop.
I noticed that there's a shop in the town centre, which I think there's like a big yellow sign near Bankhead Street, which sells all sorts of models and different things.
I'm not sure of that one yet.
Yeah, it sells model trams. They're manufactured by Corky with Blackpool ones, and it's like Aladdin's cave when you go in.
What's that?
We've been to it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. In fact, I remember buying a bus from there. Midland Red, which I thought was actually a Ribble, but they had the same type of poppy red.
Oh, yeah, they did.
Because was it national
bus?
Amusements. They would have been open today, but.
I know, yeah. Might have been.
Might have been. Oh,
See you again.
See you again.
there you go.
See you. Right, love, enjoy that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, did you enjoy that? Yeah, that was a good ride. Not walking in the wind. Right. Well, of course, that's it for talking transport. And,